hour of 3 in the afternoon. Please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign is visual. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving the aircraft, please check all of